Hello guys, welcome once again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use array in your PHP code. So first of all, what is an array? Array is the collection of similar data. So for example, you want a collection of names. You cannot save all the names in a single variable. But whenever you use array, you will be able to save multiple values of same data type in a single variable. So array is a collection of values basically. Now let's see how we can declare arrays in PHP. The declaration is same for array as the variable. You just start with your and symbol, and for example I want to make an array of names, and then you just give this equal to sign and then tell PHP that it's an array by keyword array, not here but okay. And then in these two brackets you give the values to the array. Okay, so for example the names can be Mark, and bear in mind if this is a string data type, because names can by logic are some string data type. So just if it's a string data type, just include this in the single quotes as we have seen in the string variables, right? And second name can be John, and third name can be simple name Bob, for example. And then how, for example, okay, first of all, so you have provided three values in the array. Now this these values you have provided are called elements of the array. Okay, so this is one element, this is second element, and this is third element. So this is called element of the array. Now the position of these values or these elements is also important, and the position of these values or elements are called key or index. And position this key or index starts from 0. Okay, so always remember that these element key or index starts from 0, 1 and 2. This is the position at which they are stored in the array. Now in order to print this, what you just need to do is echo, and you can just use your name with, of course, this and symbol, and you can use these square brackets to represent the position which you want to print. So this is the 0th position, first position, and second position, because index or key starts from 0. So for example, I want to print the name John. I will just echo names and with a key 1, right? Save it, and I will just run this, and it shows John. In a similar way I can print Mark, save it, and just refresh it, it will be Mark. Or I can just print Bob also. Okay, I will refresh it and you will be able to see Bob. Now you can also assign value to the array. It's not necessary that you need to only give the values at the time of initialization of this name array. You can assign these value at runtime also, or whatever. For example, you want to assign some value to the array, you can just use this names array, and you can assign uh, an, one more member to this array, which will be, so we have 0 1 2. Okay, so members till key 2, right? You can add the third key, and you can add this name, for example some random name, for example, and then you can print this here, right? And what this code is doing is it's just adding Julie to this array, right? I will save this and I will refresh this, and you can see our array is now containing Julie also, right? Now, for example, you want to print all the values of this array. You can do it like this. You can use a function called print underscore r, and it can take the array name like this, and what it will do is it will print all the values of your array with their index or key. So let's try to refresh it, and you see it prints that you have passed an array inside your print r function, and the index of this name mark is 0, or key of this mark is 0. John Key of John is 1, key of Bob is 2, and you can see Julie is also added, and the key of Julie is 3. You can add more values to this by just assigning it a new key and new name. Okay, and then you will be able to see one more key here. Okay, so the key of Patrick is 4, right? So this is the basics of array in PHP, but there are different kind of array in PHP. For example, associative array or multi-dimensional array, which I will be talking in the later videos. So that's it for this video. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and bye for now.